Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna start another session trading with binary options on Quotex. If you're not subscribed and watching my videos, make sure to do that. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment if you enjoy the content. And also don't forget that in the description there's a link to Quotex, the platform where I trade, and also a Telegram group where you can learn a lot of useful information about trading in general and specifically also with binary options. So let's start a video of today straight away. And today we're gonna start with something really low money wise. We're gonna start with $9, guys. So straight away here I'm gonna go for a put option because we see the price lowering from the moving average that acts as a resistance level basically. And we see that while being on this pullback, the price is moving down. So this is the idea behind it. So let's wait and see the result. Here is our small first profit, $16.83. And in total we can go ahead and place $17. Let's change the currency and we're gonna go and follow this bear trend and the bouncing off this moving average that acts as a resistance line. So we place in a put option and let's see the result if we're correct. Here is our second profit, $32.13, and we're gonna go ahead and with $32 we're gonna go ahead and place another option, and I'm gonna go for a call option here because basically this looks also like a kind of a pullback, because generally there is a bull trend. There is an uptrend. So maybe in the whole, in the general picture, in the bigger picture, we better follow this trend because this looks like a pullback. Although there's also a resistance level in form of the moving average at the top. So this could well enter into kind of a flat or like maybe some sort of a triangle. We'll see, but at this point, okay, we'll see. At this point I think we made the right choice, hopefully. Well, nevertheless we already have our profit, but I think that the price would probably start going up if it breaks this. Also, there's a resistance line to break here, like a clear resistance line, so maybe it enters into kind of a flat here. But we're gonna go ahead with our next option, $61, and we're gonna go and start. Okay, let's go for a call option here because if you look if you look at the levels, there is this support level that's probably gonna help us bounce off. Plus the candle is really long, so yeah, pretty sure it's gonna bounce off. So yeah, it's getting to this resistance level just right now. There it is. It leveled with the level. But anyway, it touches it and then it bounces off. Let's see the result. Hopefully it works out. Here is our profit. It already is $115.29, so 115 already. We started with like $9. So let's go for our next option, 115, and let's have a look. We're gonna go for a put option here because what I see, the mood is really a bearish mood. So we're gonna go ahead and go with this with the put option. Yeah, so it's a good point to go ahead and enter into the bearish trend with the picture like that. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's see. Here is our profit, 215 now. It's growing exponentially. This is a compound percentage. So the next one will be 215. Let's have a look. Why is it going up now? Huh? Maybe not. Maybe it's just. It's going well. So 215, and we're gonna go with the next. Okay, so right here we see the moving average, right? Works as a support level basically here. So a put option is to be made as it had crossed this this line. So the market had crossed down this this support level, which is moving average really, but acts as a support level. Also, if we look at MACD indicator, we do see that the market was in the area of overbuying, in the overbought area, and so the faster line, just it's similar to stochastic in this case. The faster line, the green line, is crossing down the slower line, which also is a good indication that the price is going to go down. So here we are with this option. Hopefully, ooh, that was tricky, but in general, if I would put another option right now, I would still go for the same one. I would repeat. As it continues this trend that we just talked about, it continues. This is the direction it's going, to the right always, never to the left. Okay, so 215, $402 we have on our balance. Let's go ahead and use that for our next option, and the next option is going to be for wow, this is a interesting situation there. I'm gonna go for this other one. Okay, so there is I'm gonna go with the put option here. There is clearly a bear trend. It all looks bearish, and then there's a pullback which touches the resistance line, the MA, and this MA again acts as a resistance level at this point, and so it's a good opportunity for us. So the price surely will be going down, and right now so far so good. Let's wait for the result though. And here is our fat profit, $759. $760 is the budget for our next option, so we're gonna go ahead. And as you can see, it entered into a flat, because it's actually up from this point. When it does that, actually, when it enters into kind of a flat and is pushing against the resistance level, probably is going to break it. That's a good indication that actually the market after this is going to go up instead of down. So maybe we were lucky to, yeah, you see it's trying to break it again, but this, I would wait a little bit more just to be sure that it's going up, and then I would place a call option there. Okay, so I'm gonna go 760 and see this, see the MACD what it's doing, and we're gonna go with a call option because there are a few strong candles there, a few strong bars candles showing some bull trend. If you look at the MA, which acts at this point, it acts as a support level. It was bouncing off it. It's supporting the price, right? So it looks well for us to go in with, to follow the bull trend. So let's wait for the result though. Right, so this is a really good profit here, 93%. I like this this currency here. So we have $1,467 already on our balance. So we're gonna go ahead and place $1,000 option next. And why don't we? This would be a nice payout again to use, but actually, should I be going for this one? 89% is not too bad. Oh, look at this. We're gonna go for a call option. Hurry up, and because we have some nice change of the direction of the trend. So we had this bearish trend, bearish mood, and then obviously there is this pattern there that's also showing again. It's like kind of, it's not a cup, but it's basically showing the change of the direction. I mean, it's logic, you can see it. It's showing the change of the direction of the market, but also we see that actually this is what I was talking about. The flat that I was talking about was kind of pushing to the resistance level, and then in these situations usually it pushes it to, so it enters kind of in a flat, the market, and it keeps pushing up against the resistance level, in this case, which is a moving average. Yes, it's a resistance level which it eventually breaks. So it collected this power, pushing against it, and then it broke up, and you can see we entered into some nice, although there are some huge bars, but it entered into this bull trend here. So looking good. Okay, so the next option, yeah, that's looking really good. Although it, again, there is this resistance level that it has to break. So we're gonna go and go with the put option for 2,000. The put option here is because the lowering of the price of, so there was this kind of an uptrend going on, and then it started to go down as a pullback supposedly, and then it got up to the resistance level, and it broke it too quick. It didn't have power to actually, so it didn't collect any power. If we saw the situation just before this one, it was collecting up against this resistance level, collecting some power, and then pushing through. In this case, well, we were lucky here actually. In this case, what we see here is probably that it came out, it broke through, but it didn't have the enough power to stay there and then go up. So supposedly in this situation it probably will go back down, because also there's another resistance level to break, so it will probably bounce off it and go back down, and the downtrend will continue. We're gonna stop here. We made some nice profit, $4,097. We started with $9. Don't forget about the description to this video with all the useful information. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you all next time. Good luck and goodbye.